Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to put ask me a question on Instagram stories. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Once you open the Instagram application, just swipe right to open your Instagram story. Then you can just go ahead, take your Instagram story or click on the camera button or image button at the bottom left and then select your Instagram story. Once you selected your Instagram story, before you send the story, the next one to do is go ahead, locate and click on the sticker icon. On the sticker page, then look through and then select questions. Click on that. Then it should say ask me a question. So type anything. Type whatever you want to type, or if you want to just say ask me a question, then that's it. So you can position this so that your audience will be able to ask you a question. Then go ahead and click on send button. And then it should say share your Facebook story, your close friends alone, or you want to use it as a form of a message. So just to my close friends, click on share. And then it should say done. And if you go back to your Instagram story and you click on it, then it should say ask me a question added to the Instagram story. You see that? So that is exactly how to put ask me a question on Instagram stories. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.